June Caron, the sky will be arriving 6 o'clock. She will be brought to the Regional Trial Court, Branch 27, to Judge Nelson Leco, and we will return the warrant of arrest. After which, the judge will issue a commitment order for her to be brought to the Lapu-Lapu City Jail for her commitment.
So there's still no commitment order for Sara Vizcaya yet?
We will be presenting her as well as the returning the warrant of arrest before the commitment order will be issued by the court for her to be committed. As I understand, our colleagues from NBI Manila, the Anti-Organized Transnational Crime Division, has already conducted the medical examination sa iya. So, diretso na ta after receiving the commitment order to Lapu-Lapu City Jail for her commitment. Unlike sa the DPWD engineers from Davao, they will be examined medically here pa because it was not done in Davao.
So the two contained people are already done with their medical?
Yes, diretso na.
Are they on their role sa NBI? After being over na nila siya sa court and then DMV after anak was
Yes, the court has already set dates for her arraignment, their arraignment, that will be in January, as well as the motions filed by the counsels of all the accused. The court will hear it as per discussion of the judge a while ago when we were there at the court.